I do have life goals, and I know that like not graduating is gonna affect me like big time. And I was like, all right, like maybe I do need some help. So I actually went to school the next day once I kind of had that realization that drinking was getting me to a bad place and it was only going to get worse. I would definitely say my red flag was, well, not going to school is a big one, yeah. That is another red flag as well, trying to set boundaries for yourself for drugs or alcohol, because normal people don't have to do that. I most definitely tried to set boundaries for myself, or tried even to have other people set boundaries for me in terms of limiting how much I drank or how much I smoked. I know before I was at like a cookout or something and I was like, all right, like only let me have like 2 drinks and then keep me away. Looking back, I most definitely that is another red flag as well, trying to set boundaries for yourself for drugs or alcohol. And then I started to be like, all right, like maybe I'll just stop smoking spice. Like just spice is my problem. I can keep drinking and smoking weed. Like I don't really have a problem with those. It's the spice. And then I stopped smoking spice, and then it wasn't just the spice. School, I started to self-harm. And then I stopped that, and then from there is when I found drugs and alcohol to fill that void too. So among many things, different friend groups, change of friends. I mean, sometimes that's okay, but you can tell when you're not getting in with like the right crowd. Different patterns. I'd come home later. Avoiding more, isolating more from my mom and my family, not wanting to be home really, stuff like that. Even emotional from using, like irritability, crankiness, stuff like that. Like trying to get money and stuff to drink or drug. I stole a lot from my mom, and we had a good relationship beforehand. And this is kind of where like we started to split apart a little bit. We got in a lot of fights. I didn't want to listen to anything she said. I wanted to do me. I didn't realize how much I was hurting her at the time either. I've hurt her, my brother, most definitely.